Have you ever wondered how it feels to be the largest animal walking the earth today? Welcome to the life of an African elephant. In the vast expanse of the African continent, amidst the lush forests and sprawling savannas, roams an animal of such grandeur that it commands respect with its sheer presence. This creature, with its towering height and formidable weight, is none other than the African elephant, the largest land mammal that graces our world today. There are two species of this magnificent creature that call Africa home. First, we have the African forest elephant, a slightly smaller yet equally captivating variant that thrives within the dense foliage of Africa's equatorial forests. With its straight tusks and rounded ears, the forest elephant is a sight to behold, navigating skillfully through the undergrowth, a gentle giant in a world of green. On the other hand, the African savanna elephant, the larger of the two species, is a creature of the open plains. With its massive ears that resemble the shape of the African continent and its long, curved tusks, this species is the quintessential image that comes to mind when one thinks of an elephant. Weighing in at up to 6 tons and standing tall at over 10 feet, the savanna elephant is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. But size and weight are not all that make these elephants majestic. They are a symbol of endurance, of the ancient roots of life on this planet. They have roamed the lands of Africa for millions of years, witnessing the evolution of the continent, with its shifting landscapes and changing climates. These creatures are not just animals, they are an integral part of the African ecosystem, a thread in the intricate web of life. They shape the land around them, opening up forests, creating pathways, and dispersing seeds, thus playing a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of their habitats. The African elephant, a true testament to nature's grand design. These giants roam vast landscapes, but where exactly do they call home? The African elephant, a creature of immense strength and grace, finds its home in some of the most diverse habitats on the African continent. From the sprawling savannas to the dense forests, from the arid deserts to the lush marshes, these magnificent beasts have adapted to thrive in environments as varied as their own personalities. In the expansive savannas, where the grass is tall and the trees are sparse, elephants use their long trunks to pluck the juicy leaves and tender shoots. Here, their diet is mainly herbivorous, feasting on the abundant vegetation that the savanna offers. This plentiful diet contributes significantly to their grand stature, making the savanna elephants the largest of their kind. Venturing into the forests, the elephant's diet changes. The forest elephants, smaller in size but equally majestic, enjoy a varied diet of leaves, bark and fruits. The dense foliage of the forest provides shelter and food, but its dense nature necessitates a smaller body size for easier navigation. In the harsh, arid deserts, the elephants showcase their remarkable adaptability. Here, resources are scarce, food is hard to come by, and water is a precious commodity. Yet the desert elephants have adapted to survive these harsh conditions. They've developed an uncanny ability to find hidden water sources and can go for several days without water, a feat unmatched by many other species. Lastly, in the marshes, elephants relish the abundance of water. These areas serve as a natural playground for the young and a spa for the adults. The marshes also provide a rich diet of aquatic plants, contributing to a unique lifestyle distinct from their counterparts in other habitats. From the vast savannas to the dense forests, from the arid deserts to the lush marshes, the African elephant's habitat is as varied as it is beautiful. Each environment shapes these creatures in unique ways, influencing their diet, size and lifestyle. From deserts to forests, the African elephant proves its adaptability in the face of nature's diverse landscapes. Did you know elephants are known for their complex social structures and intelligence? It's true. African elephants live in a society that's a matriarchy, meaning it's the females who are in charge. The matriarch, usually the oldest and largest female, leads the herd. Her experience and wisdom guide the group to food and water, ensuring the survival of the herd. She is the decision-maker, the keeper of the herd's collective memory, and her role is vital. Within the herd, every elephant has a role to play. Adult females or cows are the primary caregivers, looking after the young calves. They teach them necessary survival skills and demonstrate social etiquette within the herd. Male elephants, on the other hand, usually live solitary lives or in small bachelor groups, only associating with the herds during mating season. But it's not just their social structure that's impressive. Elephants are remarkably intelligent creatures. They exhibit problem-solving skills, demonstrating an understanding of teamwork and cooperation. For instance, they've been observed working together to reach food that would be inaccessible to a single elephant. Elephants also possess a memory that is truly extraordinary. They can remember locations of water sources over vast distances and recall these even after several years. This ability is crucial during dry seasons when water is scarce. Moreover, elephants show a range of emotions. They express joy, anger, grief, and even empathy. They mourn their dead, touching the bones of the deceased with their trunks, almost as if paying their respects. Their intelligence and emotions are so complex that some researchers believe elephants have a sense of self, a trait usually associated with humans and some primates. So, when we look at these majestic creatures, we're not just seeing their enormous size or their impressive tusks. We're also witnessing a complex society, a display of intelligence that parallels ours in many ways. In the world of elephants, it's not just about size, but also about social bonds and intelligence. What makes an elephant look like an elephant? Let's explore. The African elephant, an awe-inspiring spectacle of nature, is a creature defined by its unique physical characteristics. Each attribute, from their colossal size to their distinctive features, plays a crucial role in their survival. Let's begin with the elephant's most recognizable feature, their large, fan-shaped ears. These aren't just for show. An elephant's ears serve a dual purpose. First, they act as a cooling system. The thin skin and numerous blood vessels allow heat to escape, helping to regulate the elephant's body temperature in the African heat. Secondly, those large ears are like radar dishes, picking up sounds from miles away, providing valuable information about potential threats or the location of their herd. Next on our list are their long, curved tusks. These are essentially elongated incisors that continue to grow throughout the elephant's life. Tusks are multi-purpose tools used for digging, lifting objects, gathering food, and during battles with rivals. However, it's these very tusks that have made elephants a target for poachers, seeking to profit from the illegal ivory trade. Now, let's talk about the elephant's most versatile feature, the trunk. This is an extension of the upper lip and nose and is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. An elephant's trunk is incredibly dexterous, capable of picking up a single blade of grass, yet strong enough to uproot a tree. It functions as a hand, a hose, a snorkel, and a tool of communication. With approximately 150,000 muscle units, it is perhaps the most sensitive organ found in any mammal. Finally, we can't overlook the thick grey skin of the African elephant. This tough hide protects them from thorny bushes and, surprisingly, sunburn as well. Elephants frequently cover themselves in mud, which acts as a natural sunscreen. From their iconic tusks to their versatile trunks, every feature of an African elephant serves a purpose in their survival. As we explore further, we'll discover why the preservation of these majestic creatures is so essential. Scene script. Yet these magnificent creatures face threats that endanger their existence. What are we doing to protect them? Imagine, if you will, a world without these majestic beings, a world that has lost an integral part of its natural tapestry. African elephants, these colossal paragons of the animal kingdom, face a myriad of threats today. Poaching, a monstrous threat, has been a long-standing concern. These beautiful creatures are hunted ruthlessly for their ivory tusks, a heartbreaking reality that has seen their numbers dwindle over the years. A world that values trinkets over life itself is a world that needs to reassess its priorities. Habitat loss, another grave concern, is an ongoing issue. As we continue to expand our cities and farms, we encroach on the natural habitats of these elephants. They are forced to adapt to shrinking spaces, often leading to human-elephant conflicts that rarely end well for the gentle giants. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are valiant efforts underway to protect and conserve these magnificent creatures. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect elephant habitats, combat poaching, and create awareness about the plight of these animals. They are the unsung heroes in this battle for survival. We see initiatives like anti-poaching patrols, community education, and legislative changes aimed at halting the ivory trade. These measures are making a difference, but the battle is far from over. Each one of us has a role to play in this. We can support these conservation efforts in various ways. It may be as simple as raising awareness, making a donation, or even volunteering our time. We can choose products that are elephant-friendly, and we can lobby for stricter regulations against ivory trade. The survival of the African elephant is in our hands. Together, we can ensure these majestic creatures continue to roam the earth. Let's not be the generation that tells tales of the majestic African elephant as a creature of the past. Instead, let's be the generation that ensured their future. To stay informed and learn more about the fascinating and diverse world of wild animals, subscribe to our channel.